Now we're going to go ahead and add a product on your website. So if you want to click on Add Product on the left-hand side, to begin with, you're presented with the product name, followed by the display name. The product name and display name are good to keep the same, as it helps with the optimization on the website. Further down, you've got the categories. So if you want to add this particular product to a category, you just click on Add. It'll come up with a pop-up box, and you can add it to multiple categories. Below again, you have the retail price. This is obviously the price that you want to be selling the product for. After this, we have the original price, or RRP. If you enter an original price on a product, then it will come up with a was sign and tell the customer how much it was prior to you reducing it. Below this again, you have the use scan to buy function. After this, we have weight. This directly relates to the actual delivery settings on a certain product. If you, well, we'll go through delivery bands a little later. Further down, you have the product code, and followed by the stock control option. You can tick this box and limit the amount of stock on a certain product. Once it gets down to 0, it will prevent people from buying any more of that particular product. After this, we've got stock notification. Now, stock notification is for sending you an email when it gets down to a certain stock level. After this, we have short description. This is a short description of the actual product itself. It's displayed within the category page. And then after this, we have the long description, which is the full description of the product. Once again, it's always wise to add as much information on this area as possible. Next, we have the product weight. This obviously relates to the weight of the product and reflects on your delivery settings. After that, we have the product code. If you have one, you don't need to put one in if you don't. Underneath this, you have the stock control, and the stock control system will limit the stock when it gets to 0. So if you tick that little box here, and you put 3 in the box, when it gets down to 0, it will stop people from ordering anymore. After that, we have the stock notification. So if you were to put 2 in the box, say for example, and tick this box, then when it gets to 2, it will shoot you an email to let you know that you're running low on stock and you've only got 2 stock left. After this, you have short description. This is shown on the category level, followed by the long description, which is shown on the product page. It's always wise to add a decent sized description to every page.